Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see in Razorpay most asked question, that is how I can add logo to my business. Okay, so that only we will see guys today. So how you can add logo in your business page, for example, whatever you do your business through Razorpay, right? On that checkout page, how you can add. So that we will see guys. Okay, so for that what you need to do, just you need to go in accounts and settings, and here you need to check for branding. See guys, in accounts and setting, if you go at the end, there is checkout settings. Okay, so checkout setting means this is only for checkout page, whatever the checkout page will be, then for that it is. Okay, so here you need to go flash checkout. Okay, if you come in flash checkout, there is branding, mandatory summary page is there, trusted badge is there. Okay, so we'll go here branding. Okay, so here you can see guys, there is a account setting where we can add our logo. You can see guys, now my page is like this. Okay, so here you can see guys, here in Fiskai logo is there, right? So here you can add your logo. And one more thing is, the logo should be square size. You can see guys, choose a square image of minimum dimension 256 into 250, means size should be 256 into 256 guys, and it should be a square image. So you make whatever your logo is there now, just make that in square image, and the size should be this guys, it is in pixel. Okay, then what you do, just come here, change the logo. So come here, and here you can see guys, there are two logo. Okay, so this I will show, it is not square guys. You can see, if I add that, what it will give, it will give the height and width of the logo are not the same. Upload a square image, it is telling. Okay, so here I'll select, this is square. You can see guys, it is square image, so just select it. And you can see guys, here I'm getting square image, right? Okay, you can see guys, file uploaded successfully. So file has been uploaded, and this is already saved. You can make it save, means everything will save. Okay, and here it will update guys, and you can see whatever changes you will do now. You can see here, this is the just sample page. There you can see, if you want to change the color of your checkout page, you can change here. From here you can change color as well. You can see guys, here it is reflecting here, right? You can see, and make it save. Okay, so it will reflect, and for reflection it will take some time guys, and it will reflect. Okay, so like this you can add your logo, and you can change the color for your checkout page. Okay, so this was most asked question guys, so I hope guys you got answer for this. If you have any question regarding Razorpay, then guys please comment in comment box, and if you're liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.